Major H-1B changes coming. Higher wages, fewer visas. Hey everyone, welcome back to Immigration Talk Show. If you're an H-1B visa holder or an employer hiring international talent, buckle up because things are about to change again. The Trump administration is gearing up to increase prevailing wage requirements for H-1B workers, and if history tells us anything, it's going to shake up how businesses hire foreign talent. Could this mean fewer H-1Bs for entry-level roles? A wage-based lottery? Let's break it down. What's happening? The H-1B program has always required employers to pay foreign workers at least the prevailing wage, the average salary paid to US workers in similar roles. The goal: protect American jobs. But here's where things get serious. Trump wants to raise the bar big time. Entry-level salaries could jump by 30 to 100%. Employers may need to rethink hiring strategies. Remember, back in 2020, Trump's administration tried skyrocketing wages for H-1B workers, but courts blocked it. Now, with Trump possibly back in office, similar policies could return, and fast. What could this mean for H-1B workers? If Trump brings back his previous wage hikes, here's what entry-level salaries might look like. Software developers from $85,000 to $130,000, 53% increase. Computer scientists from $85,000 to $122,000, 43% increase. Petroleum engineers from $87,000 to $174,000, 100% increase. If you're a highly skilled, high-earning worker, you might be fine. If you're just starting your career, things could get very expensive for your employer. Could the H-1B lottery become wage-based? Another game-changing idea, prioritizing higher salaries in the H-1B lottery. Instead of random selection, visas would go to the highest paying job offers first. If this happens, more visas for six-figure earners, fewer opportunities for entry-level workers. Tech startups and small businesses could struggle. What should employers do now? If you're hiring H-1B talent, don't wait until policy changes hit. Here's what immigration attorneys recommend. Audit salaries. See if your wages match potential new thresholds. Prioritize hiring for higher wage roles that are more likely to get visas. Explore alternative visas like L1 or O1 if H-1B costs become too high. Stay engaged, follow updates, and advocate for fair policies. The big picture? While Trump's goal is to protect US workers, critics argue that sudden wage hikes could hurt innovation, slow down hiring, and push talent to other countries. What do you think? Would these changes make H-1B visas fairer or just harder to get? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show for more updates.